Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. Today we are continuing our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 31, I will show you a pretty amazing video app called Video Reverser. As you can see, this application has only one task, one feature, but that's really important and pretty nice and doing a really amazing job. As you can see, reversing the video, which is pretty cool stuff, and for sure you already think about time to time when you create a design or something. Might be need just few seconds from the original video, and we just needed a reverse version. From now, with this application, that's pretty easy to do it. So I will show you this application in this tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Yeah, I just waiting for the end of the video, sorry. And as usual, we just checking the application in the app market. As you can see, reviewers videos effortlessly with the flexible options. The developer is Manny Hong. He made a pretty amazing job. Thank you very much. This application is also highly recommended. Pretty easy to use. You will see shortly, and doing a really great job. So I just need another Canva page. I just go into the video section. I just need the landscape and go into the elements. I just using the same video what I used before. And just go into the apps and video reverser. Open the application. Just click on start. So we have to download the video first. So we cannot opening from the project. So I just need to download quickly. Do not even change the quality. I just needed this MP4. Sorry, I didn't do it before. And just downloading. And when it's downloading, I just uploading, export to the application. So I just pause the video quickly. So it's already downloaded. So the only thing what I need. Sorry, we can select from the design. So that was my bad. I just forgot what I did before, sorry. That's pretty funny. So I just doing multiple things time to time, then I forgot what I did already. So here is the video. We can do a few changes. We can do the audio settings. We can mute, reverse, or keep the original, the audio, and the speed we can increase until to 10, but I just keep it 1. And as you can see, we have monthly credits. Of course, you can buy more if you need more, but I think this 29 credit per month is more than enough. So I just click on reverse video. I open a new page already. Wait until the video is reversing, and when it's done, we just have to add into the design. I have to add to the design. Just wait until the AI doing the magic in the background. As you can see, here is the video, add to design. So I can download it, delete this, sorry. Meanwhile, the application already uploaded this video to the upload section, so I just open from the upload section. As you can see, here is the original video and here is the reverse one. Just for fun, I just add the transition between back. Just increase the size a bit, like 2 seconds, and now we can see how was the video. So that this is the original one and this is the reverse one. I didn't play with the speed. That what you can see in the original was the speed of the original video. So I didn't manipulate anything. That was just a normal speed of the original video. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. Then we can also do all the usual stuff with the video, what we can do with any other ones. So we can crop it, we can adjust it, we can do lots of things in video if it needed. From now it's uploaded to our upload section, so we can use it as a normal video. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything with the Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generations for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.